I've been a A+ garage door customer since the pandemic. During the pandemic, we had a garage door fault happen on our main house where the springs went out, and I've always been taught, don't touch those. We called around, we could not get anyone to come out, but A+ came out same day. Came out, took care of us, got everything up, got me set up with a new lifter, all kinds of great things, and the service has been phenomenal. Anytime we've needed anything, A+ has just been there. And they took care of me right from the get-go. They came when I couldn't get other people to come, and just had the best service with them ever since. The previous door that we had on here was too thin. It let air in, it wasn't insulated at all. Because we have the whole gym set up in here, the focal point is obviously the equipment. I wanted a door that would go up high, that it would be clean install. I didn't want a bunch of mess. I didn't want it to be thick and bulky. And so I wanted to find something that would work well. I didn't know what I needed, so I called A+ and just gave them heads up of the project that I was working on. They sent a couple people out. I know Nick was my tech, but came out to look at what we had going on out here and then provided me a suggestion of what they thought would work best. I went with what they suggested, and this is how we ended up with what we've got now. Nick came out. He told me exactly when he was going to be out. Came right on time. If he hadn't told me he was coming, I wouldn't know he was there. He was able to get everything through the gates. There were no issues there, and he worked until he got it all done. Called me out when it was finished to show me how to walk through everything, and made sure I knew how to keep the springs oiled and all that fun stuff. I've recommended anyone that needs anything related to garages to A+, just because they've been consistent throughout the years. Like I said, I started using them during the pandemic and haven't stopped since. Whenever we have any questions, concerns, they're our go-to. Got a neighbor over here that I'm just installing a new garage right now. I told him I know where you need to get your garage door from. I tell them that, look, if you want best prices, the best showroom in the state of Utah, by the way. If you haven't been in to see A+'s showroom, even if you're not buying, go there to get ideas. Best showroom that's around. What I appreciated was the honest interactions. What I would say is thanks. I mean, you've got a lifelong trusted customer because of the way you've interacted with me. I knew I got the best price and the best quality by going through A+.